Pollution in the Savannah River. In this activity, you're going to be looking at the geographic process in action. So the process of the geographic inquiry can be used to investigate local issues. In this activity, you're investigating a local problem and working through the geographic inquiry steps. First, you're going to investigate the problem, pollution in the Savannah River. Here's the problem. People in Augusta have noticed that the Savannah River is polluted at a certain section and are worried that the pollution will spread. They have asked the local government to do something about the pollution. Therefore, the Augusta City Council has formed a committee led by a geographer to investigate the problem. Here are just a few little resources showing like where the water goes and some of the effects that it has on others, and then who is responsible for the water pollution. So those are a couple of graphics you can look at if you want to. All right, so here's what you've got to do. What is the main question the committee needs to answer? What information should the committee acquire in order to answer the question? So what's going to help them find the answer to the question that you've posed? How should the committee organize their information? Now that they've collected all of this information, how are they going to organize it? What are some things the committee should look for as they analyze the information? What are some possible solutions? What are some patterns that they might find, some connections that they might find? What are some things that they might investigate as they are looking and analyzing the information? And then finally, what's the best way for the committee to share the results of this investigation? So now that they've done all the research, how should they show their findings and their conclusions? So what you need to do is you need to download the Pollution in Savannah River student handout, which is here. And once you've downloaded that, you are going to then go through all the parts of the geographic inquiry, answering each part of these questions. Once you have that completed, you're going to submit. You're going to save it and submit it to the right. This is Pollution in the Savannah River.